Do you know what kind of birds they are? They are turkeys. The turkey is a large bird in the genus Meleagris, which is native to the Americas. Yes, guys, turkeys on the side of the road. They're free. They're free to go all over the places because you cannot hunt them. Hunting season is November, and you need to have a license before you can shoot a bird. Guys, it's not like in the Philippines you can just grab one and then you bring it home. No, not in Canada, okay? The next one is a porcupine. Yes, porcupines are large rodents, guys, with a coat of sharp and pointy spines. Yeah, so don't go closer to the thing because it might hurt you, guys. Yes, be careful and get away from them. It might hurt you, okay? Can you see the small squirrel on the tree? The black one, the cute little thing. Yeah, there's a squirrel there, so that's why the dog keeps on barking on the window. Yes, squirrels are members of the family Squirrelidae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. Yeah, so they're cute. That's my first time to see before. That was 3 years ago. Yes, guys, 3 years ago. And I thought it's just a small rat. It's very cute. That is the little one there on the ground. See that? Oh, super cute. Cutie. Oh. That's why the dog is so noisy. I wish I could take care of them, bring it inside a home. Isn't it nice, guys? They're lovely. And they're not harmful. They're friendly too. Yes, they are friendly. They like peanut. Sometimes give them peanut under the tree. Put peanuts in there. Hello, cutie baby. And hi, hello. Yes, that's a gopher. Hello, gopher. How are you, gopher? Yes, still cute little thing, right? Gophers are medium-sized rodents that live underground and are widely considered to be a pest. Yes, because they dig. Their underground burrowing systems can extend from 200 to 2,000 square feet and contain multiple gopher mounds. Yes, guys, I've seen that in Dixon Dam. Yes, close to Dixon Dam, guys. That's where I took the video. Come on, come out. Let's play. Come on. Come on. Let's play. Come here. Dixon Dam is a flow regulation dam constructed in 1983, which impounded the Red Deer River, creating a reservoir known as Glenfer Lake. The dam is located 20 kilometers west of the town of Innisfall and 50 kilometers southwest of the city of Red Deer, guys. You're hiding there. I see your tail. I see your tail. Come on, come out. Come out. Oh well, bye. Those are elk. Yes. The elk or wapiti is one of the largest species within the deer family. They're like a deer, but they're bigger than a deer, of course. Yes, and I've seen those when we went to Abraham Lake. They're all on the side of the road and busy eating, guys. Yeah, and I would like to thank you everyone for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. God bless. I love you all. Bye.